Coal is the most abundant fossil fuel produced in the United States. Approximately 92% of the coal used in the U.S. is for generating electricity. Except for a small amount of net exports, the rest of the coal is used as a basic energy source in many industries, including steel, cement, and paper.
We are the largest mover of coal in the Great Lakes Basin.
We are located on the St. Louis Bay at the mouth of the St. Louis River, Superior, Wisconsin.
We work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Midwest Energy Resources Company, MERC, a wholly owned subsidiary of Detroit Edison, is your means of access to a full range of competitive rail, vessel, and truck transportation options in delivering Western coal. Ready access to Western U.S. sub-bituminous and bituminous coals from the mines to the end users. These transportation options, coupled with Midwest Energy Resources Company's state-of-the-art coal blending and transshipment terminal facility located in Superior, Wisconsin, combine to provide you with a highly competitive fuel delivery mechanism. In short, our people do whatever it takes to move coal so your energy needs and your expectations are exceeded and your communities are served. At present, coals received at the terminal originate in the northern and southern Powder River basins. Midwest Energy Resources Company also has the ability to source high BTU, low sulfur coals from Colorado and Utah. Midwest Energy Resources Company, or MERC, is a state-of-the-art transshipment facility that incorporates the economic advantages of both unit train receipt and Super Laker Great Lakes vessel shipment. We are a full-service energy terminal and, as such, can provide directly for coal deliveries from the mine to the end user.
We have up to 5 million tons of capacity for on-site storage.
Midwest Energy Resources takes advantage of unit train economics and delivery capabilities. Coal can be dumped from rail cars to storage or moved directly to vessels.
We have the Burlington Northern Santa Fe and Union Pacific Railroad connections.
Up to 35 Detroit Edison and MERC-owned unit trains of 123 cars each.
They travel the 1,000-mile route in 2 days, carrying nearly 15,000 tons of coal per trip.
2 train sets can be accommodated on-site.
Ready access to low-cost Great Lakes vessel bulk transportation.
With a 1,200-foot dock length, we can accommodate the largest of lake vessels.
We have the capacity to ship 25.5 million tons annually.
MERC can presently store 8 separate coal types in large volumes. Up to 3 dissimilar quality coals can be blended simultaneously during the vessel loading process. MERC's train unloading rate is up to 5,000 tons per hour rotary coupler cars, while the terminal's maximum vessel loading rate reaches 11,500 tons per hour.
We keep 7 dozers on site to move coal in, through, and around the reclaimed area. They're all massive D11 Caterpillars, each equipped with a 24 by 10 foot blade that's capable of pushing 97 cubic yards of coal in one push.
2 657 scrapers are utilized in combination with these machines to quickly and efficiently carry coal to and from the outer edges of the stockpile. Environmental laws and modern technologies have greatly reduced coal's impact on the environment. The Clean Air Act and the Clean Water Act require industries to reduce pollutants released into the air and the water.
All coal is treated with a chemical binder, Tactifier and Humescent, which binds dust particles to coal, reducing dust emission.
Water for both dust suppression and fire protection is pumped from the water treatment facility from the moat encircling the terminal, or directly from St. Louis Bay. Water discharged from the water treatment facility into St. Louis Bay is returned cleaner than the water quality in the bay itself. Since its commission in 1976, Merck has taken steps to be very proactive environmentally. In fact, all Merck employees go through an extensive training program to prepare themselves to react immediately to environmental changes by utilizing monitors and devices to maintain air quality standards. Also, Midwest Energy employs state-of-the-art dust collection and dust abatement technologies and is continually developing new and innovative ways to improve. As an example, the exhausted air from our baghouse dust collection units now registers a concentration of 0.004 grains of coal per dry standard cubic foot of air. To our knowledge, this is one of the lowest concentrations in the coal terminal industry. Merck is considered, in many respects, a showplace for the rest of the state.
Telescopic chutes get right down on the tunnel to help control fugitive emissions. The rubber skirting also helps to contain coal dust emissions.
Water cannons further limit emissions. We have 12 gallery cannons, 6 portable units, and 12 tower-mounted units currently in use, all to help keep spontaneous combustion and keep dust generation to a minimum.
This entire spray system was designed, fabricated, and custom-built in-house by Merck mechanical and electrical personnel.
These cannons project spray patterns out 350 feet using up to 1,200 gallons of water per minute.
Crews work around the clock sloping and compacting stockpiles to both limit spontaneous combustion and limit fugitive emissions. As the cars are being unloaded, both water and biodegradable chemical dust retardant sprays, as well as Merck's baghouse dust collectors, help control fugitive emissions. A calcium chloride treatment is sometimes used in winter months to remove ice and loosen frozen coal. When fully loaded, the largest vessel can carry 68,000 tons of coal per trip, the equivalent of a 5-mile train. When it arrives at its destination, the vessel is unloaded, completing the cycle from Merck to the customer, and the process is then repeated. This would not be possible without the people who make up Merck.
I can load up to 11,500 tons per hour. Not only that, but I'm controlling the whole loading system from this box.
Merck employees have decades of experience in material handling systems design and engineering, as well as coal and dry bulk product transportation, marketing, and business development.
We have degrees in chemistry, environmental science, electronics, engineering, business, accounting, and finance.
We've studied the subjects quality assurance management, combustion engineering, and transportation services.
We are members of a number of mining and transportation organizations.
We have experience in electric generation station engineering, coal purchasing, operations, maintenance, and transportation.
But most of all, they are innovative and motivated with a high regard for productivity and employee safety. All Merck personnel regularly have scheduled meetings regarding safe working methods and project implementation as it pertains to their role within the facility. These meetings foster ideas, structure plans and actions, and serve to improve upon the facility's safe and efficient operation. Merck very often re-engineers off-the-shelf components to gain additional reliability and efficiency throughout the terminal. As an example, we have worked with our vendors to redesign dozer air intake filter systems to both increase dozer engine life and to reduce air filter usage. We have computer automated almost every operational aspect of our facility to increase reliability, efficiency, and reduce costs. Our water treatment plant is a great example of our automation efforts. We are able to effectively and reliably treat our plant water with minimal human intervention. Also, in 1985, a new remote vessel loading system was designed and implemented. The vessel loading scoreboard was designed and custom built by Merck employees to monitor remote operations. This scoreboard provides a running tally of all information needed to load the vessel accurately and safely, from the status of conveyors to total tonnage in the hatch. Through our joystick-operated radio control box, it only takes one person to load a vessel. Just prior to departure, the system can also print a complete report on loading operations. Here, ideas become reality. Midwest Energy Resources Company is shaping the way energy is delivered. This is accomplished with the right people, the right culture, the right technology, and the right methods.
We're delivering more than Western coal. We're delivering energy to communities throughout our region and beyond.
We're continually exploring new and innovative ways to improve facility performance in order to provide the best products and services available.
We operate one of the most efficient terminals in North America. We care about our environment and we take pride in protecting it. And we attribute our success to the innovative and dedicated people who make up Midwest Energy Resources Company.
We do whatever it takes.
And we're working for you.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, they are here to deliver millions of tons of Western coal quickly and economically to our customers. And it takes people. People with the education, experience, and innovation to move energy.